Today's farms are beginning to look a lot more like smart cities. Digital signals connect people to each other, to the cloud, and to data. Growers are using multiple sensors to collect a more complete view of their crops. Their insights drive decisions like turning on irrigation systems, indicating where fertilizer should be applied, and predicting crop yields based on weather patterns. By applying computer vision and artificial intelligence, growers are seeing their crops in new ways, which helps them with crop monitoring, discovering inefficiencies, and unlocking new insights to improve food production. The FarmBeats for Students program brings these modern tools into the hands of today's learners. The affordable hardware kit and curriculum is designed to give students hands-on experiences in applying digital techniques to food production. Using an array of sensors that measure soil moisture, light, humidity, and temperature, students can stream, visualize, and analyze data in Excel. Additionally, working with curated data collections provides them with first-hand experience using the power that big data can bring to gaining insights into food production. Students can also build, train, and apply custom deep learning models to help track and inform plant health. Using the Lobe.ai application, students experience how computer vision is changing how we literally see data. FarmBeats for Students is designed to introduce every learner to the concepts of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. By focusing on growing food, students can begin to easily see the connections between using modern tools and the jobs to be done. FarmBeats for Students is designed to provide access and understanding to the data-driven agricultural techniques that are rapidly changing the way the land is being worked and the way the land will work for us in the future.